हेलो दोस्तों, अगर डिक्टेशंस पसंद आएँ तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा। अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो लाल रंग का सब्सक्राइब बटन है, बेल के साथ दबा दीजिएगा ताकि आपको आने वाली डिक्टेशंस टाइम टू टाइम समय पे मिल सकें। थैंक यू। The petitioner is appearing in person and is seeking quashing of the order dated 13/9/2017 passed by the Central Administrative Tribunal Allahabad with a consequential direction to the respondents to pay him arrears of salary for the period he was under suspension along with dearness allowance at the current rate and also interest, and also to enhance the pensionary benefits including fixation of amount of pension, gratuity, leave encashment, etc. by treating the period of suspension as treated on duty and increments for the same. Full stop para. Briefly stated, the case of the petitioner is that he was posted as librarian in the Kendriya Vidyalay, Thave, Gopalganj, full stop, on 30/8/1988 while posted at Kendriya Vidyalay IDPL Veerbhadra, Rishikesh. He was placed under suspension but was allowed to report to the office every day and sign the attendance register. Full stop. It is stated that when the departmental inquiry was not being initiated, he filed writ petition number 11763 of 1989 seeking quashing of the order of suspension. Full stop. It is also stated that during the pendency of the writ petition, an order was passed by the Assistant Commissioner, Kendriya Vidyalay Sangathan, Lucknow on 22/4/1991 by which the pay of the petitioner was reduced by 4 stages from rupees 1750 to rupees 1560 with cumulative effect for a period of 2 years affecting his future increment of pay, also on the basis of an inquiry report dated 23/4/1990. Full stop. The petitioner filed departmental appeal which was not decided. Full stop. Thereafter he filed writ petition number 33295 of 1995 and the same was disposed of by the High Court by order dated 22/11/1995 with a direction to the respondents to decide the petitioner's departmental appeal. Full stop. It is stated that the appellate authority finally passed an order dated 18/1/1996 deciding the petitioner's appeal. Full stop. The petitioner then filed writ petition number 14175 of 1996. Full stop. The writ petition was transferred to the Uttarakhand High Court, Nainital, and again transferred back to the Central Administrative Tribunal, Allahabad bench and numbered as TA number 2 of 2005. Full stop. The tribunal by its judgment and order dated 28/8/2009 passed in the TA number 2 of 2005 quashed the order dated 22/4/1991 of the disciplinary authority as well as the appellate order dated 18/1/1996 and remitted the matter to the appellate authority to reconsider the appeal. Full stop. In pursuance of the direction of the tribunal, the appellate authority reconsidered the appeal of the petitioner and by order dated 26/11/2009 rejected the appeal, upholding the penalty of reduction of pay by 4 stages in terms of the previous penalty order dated 22/4/1991. Full stop para. The case of the petitioner before the tribunal was that once the tribunal, while deciding TA number 2 of 2005, had by its judgment and order dated 28/8/2009 quashed the penalty order of the disciplinary authority dated 22/4/1991, nothing remained to be decided. Full stop. Over. तो फ्रेंड्स ये हो गया है 120 प्लस की स्पीड में, ओके, फ्लक्चुएशन के साथ। और इसमें नाम तो बिल्कुल नहीं आया, ये बहुत फेवरेट मैटर होगा ना आप लोगों का जो लिख रहे हैं। नाम नहीं आता है तो वो मेरे ख्याल से हमारे मैटर की बहुत मतलब किस्मत अच्छी होती है कि नाम नहीं आता है। चलिए, अच्छा नाम आया भी है तो हमने उसको स्लो कर दिया है, ठीक है, और इतना स्लो कर देते हैं कि आप लोग उसको बना लें, कोई दिक्कत ना हो, ठीक है। 2 मिनट के बाद शुरू करेंगे क्रिमिनल मैटर, तब तक रेस्ट कर लीजिए और बीच में लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए चैनल पसंद आए तो, और जो नए लोग हैं वो भी सब्सक्राइब कर दें और बटन वटन दबा दें लाल वाला, उससे क्या है ना, सब्सक्राइब हो जाएगा और बेल दबाने से आपको डिक्टेशन टाइम पे मिल जाएगी जैसे हम दे रहे हैं अभी, ठीक है। तो क्रिमिनल मैटर शुरू करने जा रहे हैं। चलिए, कॉपी पेंसिल तैयार कर लीजिए, सॉरी पेन। Start. By the impugned judgment, the High Court has allowed the appeal filed by the state and found the appellant in bracket accused number 4 bracket out guilty of the offence under section 397 of the Indian Penal Code in bracket for short IPC bracket out, and he was ordered to undergo RI for a period of 7 years and to pay a fine of rupees 1000 with default clause full stop. Though the state has challenged the acquittal of the sixth accused, his acquittal was confirmed by the High Court full stop para. A complaint was submitted by PW1 on 16/9/1996 at about 10:15 p.m. to PW12, the head constable full stop. It was her complaint inter alia as follows: colon para. While she was in her house with her husband, son-in-law and other relatives, they heard the barking of dogs and came outside full stop. It was found 6-7 unknown persons wearing lungi and shirt armed with the club surrounded the complainant and their family members and insisted upon them to give their ornaments, watch and cash, threatening that in case it is not so given they will be finished full stop. They were pushed inside the house and PW4, PW5 and PW6 were assaulted with clubs full stop. A golden chain was snatched full stop. So also was the Mangal Sutra of PW1 full stop. A silver chain, earrings and an amount of rupees 400 were also snatched and they ran away from the place full stop para. It is on this complaint that finally, after investigation was carried out, charge sheet was filed full stop. It would appear that accused numbers 1, 2, 3, though were on bail, they did not appear for the trial full stop. Rest of the accused except the appellant and accused number 6 were absconding full stop. The case was split up and trial proceeded against appellant and A6 for the charge under section 397 IPC full stop. During the trial, PWs 1 to PW 15 were examined full stop. Documents were marked as exhibits. P1 to P15 and MOS 1 to 17 were produced full stop. The High Court found as follows: colon para. First, the incident took place on 16/9/1996 in the night at about 9 p.m. PW1. The wife of PW4, PW5 and PW6 were all present besides other members full stop para. Second, the complaint was lodged within 1 hour of the incident full stop para. Third, the names of the accused are not revealed and it is stated to be only against the unknown persons full stop para. Fourth, there is no identification parade held full stop. The High Court found that as the incident took place in the night, the identification parade was essential and the evidence of the prosecution witness could not be accepted insofar as the identity is concerned full stop para. It is thereafter that 3 circumstances described by the High Court as strong circumstances were found against the appellant colon para first. The appellant was apprehended in the neighboring village during night and was chased by PWs 7, 8 and 11 and was produced. Full stop. Over. तो फ्रेंड्स ये हो गया है 120 से ज़्यादा की स्पीड में. नाम इसमें भी कम आए हैं, ठीक है, क्योंकि नाम रिवील ही नहीं हो पाए. तो चलिए फिर अगले डिक्टेशन में मिलते हैं. सब्सक्राइब वगैरह कर दीजिएगा. ओके, बाय.